My students, today we are going to learn Class 5 EVS, Chapter 2, A Snake Charmer Story. Here would be include some parts. Today we are discussing about part 1. Okay, my students? My students, here teaching points. What we learn in the part 1, A Snake Charmer Story. Who are Kalbelias? And discuss about bin. Bin means one type of music instrument.
My children, you must have seen many movies and pictures. And you must have wondered how these people can control the snake. My dears, now let's know from Aryanath. Aryanath, who is a snake charmer, and he is going to tell you his story. Aryanath says he can do something special which he is sure we can't do, and that is playing bean. What is bean? My students, bean is musical instrument used by snake charmer to charm snake. And he is right, we cannot play the bean. Isn't it, my dears? Aryanath has learned these are from his father and his grandfather and the group of people which Aryanath belonged to. They are called Kalbias. Okay, my dear. Now, my dears, who are Kalbias? My dears, Kalbelia is the name given to the community of snake charmers. The group of snake charmers are known as Kalbelias. They move village to village and entertain people. Clear, my students? I repeat this now. Kalbelia is the name given to the community of snake charmers. The group of snake charmers are known as Kalbelia. They move village to village and entertain the people. My dears, here a story we are discussing. Dadaji remembers. Dadaji means grandfather. From the time of my grandfather and great grandfather, we have always been saperas, means snake charmer. Snakes have been an important part of our life. We used to move from village to village carrying our snakes in bamboo basket. Do you know, beta, bamboo basket? We have seen in these pictures. Whenever we stopped in the village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then take out our snacks from our basket. My dears, we are discussing about story. Even after the show, people would stay on. They knew that in our tin box there were many types of medicines for them. We made these medicines from plants collected from the forest. Here we are words about forest. Forests are very useful to us. I had learnt all this from my grandfather. Yes, my dear. I felt nice that I could help people with my medicines even if doctor and hospital were far off. In return, people would give us some money or food grains. In this way, we could manage our life. So, Kalbilya manage their lives with the help of snakes. Sometimes I was called to place where someone had been bitten by a snake. From the marks of bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that. But I have not always been on time to help. As you know, some snake bites can even cause death on the spot. Very poisonous. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. Sometimes when some farmers would come running for help shouting, "Snake, snake!" I would catch that snake. My dears, after all, catching snakes was something I had been doing since my childhood. Oh, those were the good days. We could help a lot of people in many ways. We also entertained them. It was not like today when everyone watched TV for entertainment. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth, means fangs. He also taught me how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. We can see picture here. Now, my dears, what are fangs? We are discussed about this. The two poisonous hollow teeth of snakes connected to poison glands. Glands means a small bag kinds of organ present inside the mouth of a snake where poison is stored. I repeat, my student, glands words is important. What is glands? A small bag kinds of organ present inside the mouth of a snake where poison is stored. Whenever a snake bites someone, the poison from the gland comes out of the fangs and it is injected to the person's body. So this is how the snake bites and transfer the poison into its fresh body. Now understood about my students' fangs? Okay.